If you're experiencing a verification pending status on your Mercury bank account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check your email for any messages from Mercury Bank. They may have sent you instructions or requests for additional information needed to complete your verification. Step 2. Review your documents. Ensure that all the documents you submitted for verification are clear and legible. Common documents include identification and proof of address. If any are unclear, consider resubmitting them. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Mercury Bank's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific details about your verification status and guide you on any further actions you need to take. Step 4. Resubmit your application. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use AirSwap to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, wait for confirmation from Mercury Bank regarding your verification status. This may take some time, so be patient and keep an eye on your email for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue and get your Mercury Bank account fully operational.